Good morning, dear students. Today again we will be continuing learning our salary, which we have started yesterday. We did one question. I think this was the question which we did last time, and I got very fair kind of response from you all regarding this question. You were in a position to get me the, whether it is taxable or not. So that shows that you have already studied entire chapter during last week, and then yesterday you were there and fully prepared and getting me the answers properly. So today again we'll be continuing the same topic with another question. Okay? And this is all going to be as a part and parcel of your internal exam. So kindly make yourself comfortable enough and study these things in thoroughly so that you should get good marks in internal. And every exams are very important, and if all marks are very important. So now we'll be taking question number 7. Again, I will ask the same thing, whether it is taxable or not, etc., etc. So kindly be ready with your answers. I hope things are visible to you all. Mr. Kuldeep is employed. Thank you. Is employed as a production manager in Aerolite Industry Limited. So first and foremost, whenever we will see it is other than government company, we will keep in mind that as far as entertainment allowance will be concerned, that will not be allowed under section 16(2). Since 2016, for the previous year, he had the following salary particulars. So these are the salary particulars. Again, see, this is called scaling, which we have learned yesterday, But here very clearly they have stated your scaling. Up to August it is 8,000 and September it will be 9,000. So like yesterday we just multiply with 12. We can't do here. Can we do?
No, sir.
Not at all. So say up to August. So April, May, June, July, August. So I think for 5 months we will consider 8,000, and then remaining 7 months we are going to consider 9,000. Am I right? And basic salary will always be taxable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Dearness allowance?
Taxable.
Taxable. And there is no scaling for the dearness allowance. So their basic is only there in the scale. DA is not there in the scale. So that will be taxable. City compensatory allowance?
Taxable.
Absolutely right, taxable. I want answer from other student also. Please be participative, and that will help you, not to me. Next, additional expense for the city life is 1,300 per month. Whatever additional you are doing, that is your lookout. That will not be a part and parcel of our salary. So we need not have to bother about that. Children's education allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable. And do you think that this amount of exemption will help us?
No, sir.
Yes, it will help us.
Yes, sir.
In which section this amount of exemption will help us? Tell me. Yesterday we have given a lot of emphasis. Under section 10, subsection 14. Under section 10, subsection 14. Just see yesterday's question. We have done almost all allowances. Allowances, special allowances, everything is covered under section 1040. Next, children's hostel expenditure allowance, 300 per month. Taxable or not?
Taxable.
Very good, taxable. And again, exemption will be at, yesterday it was mentioned 10, 14, but today it is not mentioned. Right? So today they expect us that we should tell with our own from which section it will be exempted. Next, allowance to commute between resident to office. Taxable or not?
Taxable.
Again, exemption will be under section 10, subsection 14. Okay. Next is house rent allowance. Again, it
Taxable.
is taxable. And exemption of house rent allowance is explained under section 1013A. This exemption we will be going to learn in detail. Actually, the exemptions for HRA is there with the 3 limits, and there are certain conditions also. So please, wherever you are finding something new, write down in your notebook that, and in future you can refer those things. Like yesterday we were referring section 1014. Okay. Today it is 1013A. So 1013A states actually where you are residing and do you have your own house or not. Okay. That's very important because in future they may not give you, they may ask you to compute also. So slowly and gradually every lecture 1 or 2 things we need to learn so that it will help us. Yes. House rent allowance 1013A. Okay. How much will be allowance? Least of the following. Like yesterday also we have seen there was someone who were asking, sir, how much will be entertainment allowance deductible under section 16(2). I told them first you need to have that residential status as a government employee and least of 3, which actual entertainment allowance received 5,000 and 1/5 of the basic salary, whichever is low. Similarly here, also there are 3 limits. Okay, an amount equivalent to 50% of salary if the house is situated in Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, and Madras, or 40% for other cities. Okay, so this metropolitan it is 50% of the salary. For other place it is 40% of the salary. Yaad rahega? Okay. So this is one limit. Second, HRA allowance received from by the employee. Okay, and in respect of the period during the rent accommodation is occupied by the employee during previous year. So actual HRA 50% for metropolitan, 40% for others, and rent paid over and excess of 10% of salary. Whichever is low will be exempted. Whichever is low will be exempted. Remaining will be taxable. So we are going to do these questions also in future, but please keep these things in your notebook. And just now we were referring section 1014. We have seen which are taxable and non-taxable. How much? This table is very important. In 3 places we need to learn 100, 300, 800. Rest all will be either fully or to the extent amount incurred as an expense. Okay. So what you have to learn? Actual for Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, and Madras, 50% of salary. For other cities, 40% of the salary. Yes. Rent paid over and above of salary. Okay. Then actual HRA received, whichever is low will be exempted, remaining will be taxed. And exempted under which section? Under section 10, subsection 13A. But here, as it is given, so we did not have to bother. We were dealing with Kuldeep Wala question. Okay. Next, fixed medical allowance.
Fully taxable.
Fully taxable. Entertainment allowance.
Taxable.
What amount spent is immaterial for us? Huh? fully taxable. And entertainment allowance, again, it will be available under section 16, subsection 2. Yes, no? But here they will not be eligible. Why? Because he is not a government employee. Next. Project allowance,
Fully taxable.
fully taxable. Overtime allowance.
Fully taxable.
So this 12,000 you will take per month or for entire year?
Entire year.
Entire year. Paternity allowance for birth of third child.
Taxable.
Be careful. Birth of third child. अगर कुछ और दिया रहता, then we would have considered he has 3 children, and he will get only for 2 children. Okay? Is this clear to you all? तो ऐसे कहीं भी कोई भी details दिए रहेंगे. You need to be very alert. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So earlier we were getting only maternity allowances as a norm, but now there is a paternity leave also, paternity allowances also, because we are now in nuclear family. So employer-employee code of conduct has all these provisions, and accordingly they will get the benefit. Travel allowance, tour allowance.
Taxable.
Taxable.
Here it is given amount spent for office purpose. What will be utility of it? What will be the utility of it? So that's why I have asked you to write in your assignment book. That's why I have asked you to write it in your assignment book. For travel allowance, tour allowance, again I am telling you, go and refer those tables which have been given to you all. Very clearly stated that to the extent amount incurred as an expenses will be allowed as a deduction under section 1014, remaining will be taxable. So here the exemption will be only to the extent of 21,000, remaining will be taxable. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Just refer. अभी जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा था ना कि आपको बार बार मेरे को ऐसा रेफर करने के लिए बोलोगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. You should keep it in your notebook. जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हमने बताई है. Otherwise it will be a waste of time. है ना? Is this same? Is this same? Tell me yes or no.
No.
It is same. Same traveling allowance दिया था. And what is exemption? Exemption is given to the extent amount used for official purpose. So receipt minus incurred will be taxable. So in our question also, is there in page number 85 for Mr. Kuldeep. Same thing is given. Travel allowance, we have received 23,000, an amount incurred for office
Yes,
purpose,
sir.
21,000. Have you got this? Understood? So this much will be
Yes, sir.
deductible. Remaining कितना आएगा? 2,000 if I'm not wrong. Yes? That will be taxable. Same thing is happening with motor car or motorcycle allowance. How much? 2,000 per month. Whether it will be taxable or not.
Taxable.
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 And here the detail is given amount spent for office purpose. What will happen? Just now I've given you the hint.
10 of subsection 14.
Yes, 14. To that extent, it will be deductible. Again, this is same kind of things. Travel ही है ना, मोटर कार से खाएगा थोड़ी, traveling के लिए ही है. Okay. He has paid professional tax 4,000 during the year and 1,000 is outstanding. Very clearly mentioned in section 16(3). To the extent you have paid will be allowed as a deduction. Outstanding professional tax will not be allowed. The year in which you are going to pay the outstanding, in that year it will be allowed as a deduction. Am I clear? So he is going to get the benefit under section 16 subsection 3 only to the extent of 4,000 and not this 1,000. Clear? Hai? Sure. Then again we will make our format ready. Kindly keep your format ready. Question number 7, page number 86. Name of associate will be legal status is an individual. Residential status is RNOR. Computation of net taxable salary. Particulars rupees.
40,000.
That we will do, na, Vishal? Everyone, the format is ready. I can see only Jyoti and Suti. Rest all. Urvi is also writing. Sachin is also writing. Rest all their cameras are off. I cannot give comment for them. So until unless I can have the vouch on you, I can't comment. So you have completed your format. Should we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So here it was very clearly mentioned here for Mr. Kuldeep that his basic salary up to August, which you stated that taxable, is 8,000. So how many months it was 8,000? April, May, June, July, August. For 5 months it was 8,000. Right?
Yes, sir.
And for remaining 7 months, 9,000. So 8,000 into 5, 9,000 into 7. So 8,000 into 5, someone has stated very right answer, 40,000. And 9,000 into 7, कितना आएगा बताओ?
3.
63.
63. So what is the total then?
1,03,000.
1,03,000. This is my basic salary. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Then we have
Yes,
next.
sir.
Next we have as dearness allowance. 2,000 per month. We mention it is fully taxable. So let it be taxable. Let's keep it taxable. So 2,000 into 12 months. How much it will come?
24.
24.
So we will write 24,000 as PA, which is taxable. So I hope you must have realized where item to be written in first column and where it will be in the second column. Am I right? If exemptions
Yes,
are
sir.
there, deduction is there, subtraction is there, addition is there, then we will write amount first in first column and final amount in second column. Otherwise, directly it will go to second column or outer column. Next. City compensatory allowance 1,000 per month. TCA. These are very basic things. In all salary you will find these nomenclature. 100% you will find these nomenclature. Okay. You take, if someone is working in your family, just ask from their salary certificate. You'll find all these items are mentioned. Then you'll realize, okay, what is happening practically in day-to-day life is we are learning in the college, in the class. So whether it is taxable or not, TCA,
Taxable.
taxable. आपने पहले बोला it
Taxable.
is taxable, sir. So we will take it taxable. 1,000 rupees per month. So how much will be total?
12,000.
12,000.
1,000 into 12, it will become 12,000. Next, children's education allowance, 200 per month.
2,400.
2,400 is right answer. Children's education allowance 2,400. But one more thing is given in the question, sir. The amount of exemption is also 2,400. The exemption we will receive under which section? 10, 4 near 10, 14. 10, 14. Okay. Okay. So how much it is?
Nil.
Acha, have you made the changes over here in previous year or assessment year or not? So you have to make the changes, huh? Your previous year is what? 2021. And your assessment year is what?
21 to 23.
21.
प्लीज आप लोग यही लिखने का, अगर किसी ने रॉन्ग लिखा उसको रेक्टिफाई कर लो प्लीज. हाँ, इट्स डन. So we
Yes,
were there
sir.
in children's
Yes, sir.
education. After
Yeah.
children's education, what is there? Children's hostel expenditure. 300. Again, it will be taxable. Hostel expenditure is taxable. 300 for 1 month. For 12 months, how much it will be? 3,000.
3,600.
600.
Okay. And how much is exempted? Here, 3,600. Exemption is also equal amount. So what is the taxability then?
Nil.
Nil. Nothing will be taxable. So are you writing along with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next. Allowance for commute between resident to office. 1,000. So for 12 months, it will be how much?
12,000.
12,000. And exemption is also given. How much? 9,600. Exemption is given. 9,600. So taxable will be how much? Don't tell me, nil. How much?
2,400.
2,400.
400.
Next. House rent allowance. 4,000 per month. For 12 months. For 12 months.
48,000.
And here I can't write 1040. Exemption will be there under section 1013A. How much? 3,200. Here the amount is computed. Abhi, in coming lectures or subsequent sum, we might have to compute the amount also. What is taxable then? 16,000?
16,000. Yes, sir.
16,000.
Next, fixed medical allowance, fully taxable. 2,000, so 24,000. Next, entertainment allowance, fully taxable. 1,000, plus 12,000.
12,000.
सही है?
Yes, sir.
Project allowance, 2,000, मतलब 24,000. Fully taxable. Project
Yeah.
allowance. Overtime, fully taxable. 12,000. Next, eternity, fully taxable. 20,000. Next, traveling allowance 23 and amount spent 21. So 21 will be deductible. Yes or no? So receive 23
Yes.
and again it is not 10/4, 10/40. 10/40. Amount spent 21. The remaining 2,000 will be taxable. Yes? Clear है? कोई doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No.
You motor car again 2,000, so total 24,000. Amount spent 23. Taxable. First, so if we will add all this, what we will get? Gross salary. What we will get? Gross.
Salary.
We'll add all this basic plus DA plus HRA plus children's education allowance, medical allowance. What we are getting from the employer being an employee will be known as gross salary. अभी gross में मैंने आपको बताया था. Then we have salary में deduction under section 16. 16(1) standard deduction. How much? Quickly. Standard deduction. How much?
50,000.
50,000. Absolutely right. Entertainment allowance. Whether he will get or not, he will not get. Why? Because he's not a government employee.
Nil.
Nil. Not allowed. And professional tax paid. Not outstanding.
2,000.
Yes. Professional tax paid. 4,000. The total deduction is how much?
4,000.
54,000, sir. So net taxable salary, sir.
198, 400.
Absolutely right. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So likewise, we will do the practice. Small question you can practice now. Okay. And I have given certain assignment to Sachin, Shruti and few students who are really very regular. मैंने उनको दिया एक टास्क कि सर बेटा वो पुराने बुक को देखो और उसमें अगर कुछ एरर है प्लीज ब्रिंग इट टू माय नोटिस सो दैट ऑन संडे आई कैन रेक्टिफाई दैट. ओके.
सर टाइपिंग मिस्टेक भी है.
तो वही तो बताना आपका काम है. संडे आप मुझे फोन करेंगे और हमें बताएंगे आफ्टर 11-12 o'clock. हाँ, सुबह सुबह डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Bacha Party. I hope you must be enjoying learning salary. If still anyone has any doubt, Abhi now there are many other students who are very active other than these guys. Jyoti, Urvi, Pankaj, Prakash, Poonam, Anu, Pradeep, they are also started participating. So thank you very much. I hope you must be enjoying learning taxation. Please do so and see to it that you should learn it to use in your personal and professional life. With that note, please take care of yourself. Inform if someone wants to take admission. Admission ka portal got started. This all you also do for the juniors and who are needy. And be at home. Take care. See you next week.
You, sir.